This Jamaican herb is not for the weak.
This plant is one of the worst, most terrible tasting plants ever. Now, Jamaicans know about this plant because our grandmas used to wash us out with this plant every Sunday. And when I tell you it's bitter, oh my gosh, it's gonna make your face cringe. But what it's gonna do for you is that it's gonna clean your blood. If you're diabetic, then this is great for you because this will clean the blood of all the gunk so that your body can uptake the sugar. Now, if you have leukemia, this is what you need right here because this will clean your blood and stop the cancer from spreading, right? If you have eczema, then guess what? Rub this plant on your soap. Rub it on the soap, make the soap turn green. Put it in the bath water, make the bath water turn green. And then bathe in it. Rub it on your skin. Jamaican Surtsy tastes like, oh, it's terrible, but it's good for you. Get your Jamaican Surtsy in, baby.